principal ma'am, Miss Aparna Mage.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ma'am, how did you celebrate Children's Day when you were a child?
So when we were in school and we were children, so there was not so much of hype about a Children's Day, right? It was a normal school day for us basically. But yes, we did get chocolates and things like that day. And we had some games day, like we celebrated a games day playing, and special things were done for us that day. I think it is celebrated much better now in your time. It's a big day, and your teachers do a lot for you. Am I right or not? Yeah, your teachers do a lot of things for you these days.
Ma'am, what did you like the most during your school days?
Studying. I love studying and still do. And I love reading and getting to know about new things, learning so much from the books and learning so much from the teachers. I enjoyed that time when we had classes and we were sitting together, and sitting with your friends and learning is a very good thing. You enjoy it, all of you? You also enjoy that, no?
I don't even have a friend in my class.
Oh God! So then what do you do? Who's your friend?
I have only a best friend.
Oh, okay. I understand. So
Yeah,
it's up to
it's
us. Yes, it happens. Friends can be anywhere, isn't it? So, okay, all three of you tell me, what do you like to do when you are not studying?
I like drawing. I like to read a book.
That's nice.
Reading.
TV. So, Meher, when you like reading books, which book are you reading currently?
Sudhabu.
Okay, so you are reading that.
Sudhabu.
Sudhamurthy's book? Okay. So, what is there in the book which you like when you're reading it? Okay. So, in drawing, so is there something special that you're drawing right now? What do you like to draw? Tell me.
No, I like to make a shop. Like in my house. I can make a shop in my house.
Oh God, which type of shop do you make? Can you make?
Halloween. I
Oh,
make a
so-
Halloween shop.
Oh, that's so nice. So, what are you selling in that shop?
And Halloween gifts.
Oh, hello. Okay. I'll be waiting for one lunch. Okay, you'll get me one. Okay, so I have booked a Halloween gift for myself, right?
Ma'am, what games did you play when you were our age?
When I was your age, we had so many games at that time which are very different from what you have. Basically, the common games like we used to play is like cricket, fine. Then badminton. I loved playing badminton. I still play badminton, and I represented my state team in badminton. I represented my school in that. But yes, I'll tell you about some games. Like we played a lot of gilli danda. I don't know you know about tip can, it is called in English. So we used to play that a lot. It's something similar. People say it's like cricket or something. So one day we'll play in the school, and I will tell you about it. Okay, I'll teach you. So I would just like to know from all of you, which game do you like to play when you have time?
Calculator.
Okay,
Polo.
all right.
Sequence.
Okay, so will you tell us something about sequence?
It has coins.
Right.
It's a one board
Okay.
and cards.
Okay, yeah, I think I know this game, and it's a very nice game to play. Flip over, you can tell us something about it, Meher?
Yes. It has two sides to play.
Okay, very good. I think I've seen this, girl. So can you tell me what cards and videos that you're talking about?
We just roam around in the car, do some stunts in the
So
car.
it's an online game that you're talking about.
Yeah, my dad.
That's nice. So all of you play different games. So do you go out to play in the park or society park?
But my dad said only cricket you can play in weekend.
Okay, so you go out to play cricket on weekends. Very good. Where do you go out to play?
Yes, I go to the park with my daddy.
Alright, very nice. Girl, do you go out to play?
Sometimes
Alright. So what do you play when you go out to play?
I play with my friends who are very big than me, like 3 years older.
Alright, very nice. Very nice.
One of them is like in college.
Oh, okay, that's nice. But you play? So he plays with you?
Yeah. Did you like going to school when you were small?
I loved it. And every single day. And even if there were holidays, I remember I used to feel why there are so many holidays and why can't we go to school? So in school, you have so many friends, you learn so much, you get to play also equally and learn different things. If you have classes like you learn drawing, and I love painting. I still paint a lot. So you learn to draw properly. You get to interact with other children. So many in your class and outside the class also. So school is all fun time as far as I remember.
Are you a naughty child or a very good one?
I think all good children are naughty. What do you say? So I think it's a combination, right? Okay. So even when we say that, and it's not that naughty children are not good. There's nothing like that, isn't it? So I think being good is being a part of it is being naughty also, right? You cannot be just sitting straight every day and not doing anything. Then only you will be good, isn't it? Like you can see how much he's moving. There, sit straight. So now this does not. So you are a very good child, and you're being naughty also. So that is being that. So if we can be naughty also and we can be good also. Okay. So I was a combination. So I just wanted to ask you, what is it that you want to do when you grow up? Anshu, tell me first.
Pilot.
Okay,
I want to be a doctor.
that's nice.
YouTuber.
Oh yes, I remember. You want to be a YouTuber. Alright. So why do you want to be a YouTuber?
I like gaming.
You like gaming? So you mean YouTubers do only gaming?
Games and stuff.
Alright. Okay, and what about you, Meher?
I want to be a doctor.
Okay, so what makes you think, what made you decide that you want to be a doctor? You got influenced by somebody? Your parents want you to be a doctor? Or there's a doctor who you think makes you feel that you should also be a doctor? Is there somebody like that? Very good. And is there any reason you want to be a pilot?
I will fly a private jet.
Oh, okay. Why a private jet?
Because private jet has the way goes that in this
Yes.
that why I want to be a pilot.
Alright, very nice. You all want to do such great stuff, and we are looking forward to see you becoming what you want to become one day. Right? One day you should live your dreams. That's what we all want.
Ma'am, if you could be a child and become a child again for one day, what would you do?
I will simply come and sit in your class. I will be a student of Delhi Public School Sushantok, and I would love to enjoy a day with all of you, where you play, you do so many activities, you go out and play games, and so many things to do. Such an interesting day you have in a school, and be a part.
Ma'am, would you like to give a children's day message to everyone listening?
When I think of what I should be telling you, I think we enjoy you so much. We enjoy being with you. The only thing I always want you to be to grow up with values, right? Be connected to yourself and always be happy and be kind to everybody. Right? We need to be kind. We need to be happy. We need to play well, isn't it? Do lots of physical activities. I just want that you should be going very happy and confident. That is what I want. So for being so good and so smart and such nice questions you put in front of me, I just want to give a small gift. So there's a pencil, right? And it has got seeds in it. So you go and have a plant of your own in a planter. So, and I know Meher, you said that you love chocolates, right? So let's go.
I love chocolates also.
I know, I also. So I just thought I should give you one plant. Alright, so I wanted to use it. I want you to grow your own plants and spread greenery everywhere. Be eco